YouTube. I wanted to get on here and do a video. I picked up this Loreal Feria hair color. I know I did a Instagram story the other day about the antique gray, which is the color I actually wanted to do, but I ended up going with the Downtown Denim in shade 411. This actually says L'Oreal Paris 2018 Hair Colors of the Year, and it's the Feria Glam Grunge line. This one is the Downtown Denim. It's pretty much like a dark blue brown. It says that it has the dirty good grays of the 90s are black, now infused with jewel tones. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So it comes with the shimmer developer, the power shimmer conditioner color gel, which is in the shade, I think I already said it's 411, or serum that you pour in there, and the directions as well. It's rinsed out already, and what I'm gonna do now is, here it is. I love it. I think it's super cute. I'm not sure if you can see the shades of blue in there. Yeah, I love it. It's super cute. It's really shiny, actually. I curled it with my, and I love it. I think it's super cute. Like I said, if you like videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And also, if you have any requested videos, please let me know. I am all about making tons of videos, so just let me know what you want to see, and I will try and get that up for you. But y'all have a great weekend. Thanks for watching.